First, the top headlines. 5 people, including a commando, shot dead by suspected Kuki militants. Government will teach a lesson to Kuki terrorists in Manipur, says Chief Minister. And curfew shortened for Imphal East and West at 11:30 a.m. Hello, welcome to ELITETV's Prime Time English News Bulletin. I'm your host Deemita. Before giving you the news, we requested to follow the SOP given by the government, where face masks on in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requested to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. In an unfortunate incident, suspected Kuki militants with sophisticated weapons burnt a number of houses in Napat in Sugnu Assembly constituency between last night and early this morning. According to reliable sources, the militants burned down more than 80 houses and killed 3 villagers and 1 police commando. Here is the conversations between ELITETV and an eyewitness person of the village.
Kailangan matungga pung ama agay matan timing dito na ko asay masih hingi asih hingi timing dito koi sugno gi to yung wang mai tare asih sunatan na lay Bisenpur district ne ba ako na ulay na Kasing district ne ko somgi Bisenpur district sida mai ako gi Kuki khunga taina bu khunne ba mai ja napat ko ko hai ba kano dito mage maning ai tare kunji gi maning ja labu ata ne ba lamang ata ne ba adu labu ki pareng gi matung ja muta ki kunta ne ba adu labu si kunta raga Kuki kamu weze ke automatic kano mi dan gi lo file kunta raga kano da ben ka to ko ne ba lo pula se pula ko na ko no automatic no pula ka pura ga ako somna kana defense to kamu weze di pula yao defense to na tamina defense to ngam me da bi mo ji sen to ko ne ba ki kano la la ga tu ne la pura ga atu ne la ko se la ko ma tam ji da ni da san ni gram de utra ni na yu mai da tha la ko ne ba around kano di 100 me adi ko ni kam exactly hai ngam dre ko ya more than 80 plus season lai na ni 100 mak chu dra ga jo adu ga hoji ri taw je admai ni ngai ka to ko da mi ta mom si re kano de la thoro ko ngam au to na ngau da ba ta na ngau da gi hoji mi ta mom si re tu na kan ge adi um ka ko su area gi wai na sugno pamang kai na ma lai ri ba ko sugno area manung ji da si da ju yung mani yung may tao ko rin ko kasi ako yung standang na ba ta re adu da yung may tao ko sala ko ako kasi yan kana kana to visa ako gi sugno yaw dinge mana kha ta re sugno manung jo ra sugno gi bara yaw dinge mara chilang ingre sai nam lai ri da jo mu ka mo is lai pai ba ka mu na mo adu raung ko sala ra adu da atat au ni da sa pa kana to ko may ka pe na hoy ni ani ju soe ba misa mani ni jo plus commando de jo adin soe commando ma sire hoy ama sole ho le problem je hoy pawe de sile ri to je atu ka kano gi lam gi atu pa lai bai ta re ta lam ni no ila ka pu ki abi gi atu so mata pu ka ke le ri go lam ge ni abi no ko gi a re so ba la ta je central ge army la ta je la kana ba na lambi da tho ko thing ai ri paw je phang ni ta ba atau khundagi le ko pangantabi aldi pangantabi taire so na kan de ko sigilan kamu ju sugo on de tonjal eba on de tonjal la sugo ri kai ke to wa ge defective kamai to wa ge mo na la ga ho ji paw ge mai to ri kam kan ma je phajana identify ti ho ji to won dri ba ko ka siri je kamai ka to ri ma ga ni je kano de na ni yawe aziki yam kana an na triwa ma ga ni mari ko su sona kan सिरीजना हौजी पाउगी ओइनदि सी लैयबा सिचुएशन जे समाइना
ओके
होरे नुमिदांगजु पोलप याबगी चांस यामना वांगना लay अदुना कोई पुलिस कामुदो ओइरगसु अहेंबो फोर्स खरा लागा ngapiradi na almaina apam leinari tamadi ke adu pai panda waigana ya kamu balakna je miam na pande moi je khoi kan bibala kana train loina miam khana re tamudi aduna ya kati step force kamu gai atopada leiwa khoi ge tang safa ba se khoi jaga dagi masing ka unit ka thapu piraga somdoina defensive town dagi apam jo miam nim leiri tamudi.
On the other hand, 3 villagers of Sadonpokpi have been shot dead by Kuki militants and torched number of houses of the village. According to reliable sources, the incident took place around 1 a.m. last night. The deceased have been identified as Amom Yaifaba, 17 years, son of Ingoba of Wangu Ahalub, Tokchom Nautomba, 30 years, son of Sur of Wangu Pungjau, and Kumanthim Kennedy, 27 years, son of Bimola from Langobi. In the meanwhile, an ambulance appealed to the people not to believe that some ambulances were used for transporting arms and ammunitions.
Ambulance sida nomai hapaga pure salena arano propaganda am sanduise masi amtang tawbiganu prajam yamna yamna lulba tanja sida ayu kungchin ahin khangdege ambulance sida akhoi pulisigi asok ana asi ana yaw matam kanaba sangba yadaba mafam phaw sanga tawri sida nomai pure amma pure na hojik kanna propaganda lana sandukise jamyan madu tawbiganu lambi sorokta akhoi gi maitai gi mai ben single hanbirakan nupa ge di akhoi chinga tamya do oina salasi hoina sida lambi sorok sida akhoi nupa mayam laisanbi sida mathau leitre hoje chinga tamya ta sapai akhoi tangai phadaba leire maram aduna praja mayam sing tang thokpiro hajin.
On the other hand, Kuki militants residing at the uphill nearby Sinda Kadangband also shot dead a villager of Fayeng and injured a youth. The deceased has been identified as Angom Basanta, the injured village is identified as Premjid. Shootout between Kuki militants and security forces is still going on. An eyewitness expressed about the incident to the media persons in detail.
소명이
akhoi singda kadang part 1 sida akhoi Kuki militant singna akhoi maitai community ta ba singda kadang part 1 asida ngasigi ahing nongai pung baroga minikun ka teri chapa matam sida akhoi matam sida chap manana mafam anida akhoi awang dama makha dama mafam ani si chap manana akhoi nomai ji kablok podagi ngasi ji tawdo yam laibuk thiba tawdo mu thoki adu hariba tawdo thokpaji kari kamai tawno thoki ge habada ngarang ji akhoi gi leriba 7MR gi leriba posi akhoi 22 AR na moina deploy tawna yam kan honaba adri akhoi leriba praja jingjina sigi kanoji mafam ji di asam rifle leiba yaroi habadagi makoi ji laina bohona pachida akhoi gi haukiba tangma da yum mai chakhiba singda Kuki gi jaga sida asam rifle oina musu deploy tawsarapa deploy toriba asam rifle ji 22 AR gi sigi singda kanogi kangchu water supply da leiba kanoji ni 22 AR sini masi akoina moi je akoina thaja ba jemta leitaba ngarang makta ju khara ngangnaba adu honorable MLA lamsangi uncle rajena jula aga noise mai mai leiba yaroi khotpa haiba ju adum hairam bani adubo masi smai da leisalakpa sina maram boraga ngasi nungalamdai gi pung 12 minute kunteri saisida makhoi gi leiriba jaga ngarang moi nampu da leigiba jaga 22 AR gi post leiriba akhoi gi deploy torpa anoba jaga sidagi tholokiba ahan ba kanu nomai kanu firing ni tawreise masina maram boraga moida akhoi na thaja ba chule leite aduna athuba matamda akhoi gi kangsu water supply da leiriba 22 AR gi post ya masi lokthok ta taragati akhoi sida leiriba maitai Kuangluk oina leriba maitai community hoi kadang mon somda leriba mayam khunja mayam singje masi ahingda hoi nungaina tumba natragana hoi hanagi leriba punsi maril je hoi hingba ngambagi tanjadu oidre maramaduna atuba matamda अखोई मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट अमदी स्टेट कनोगी सेंटर की सिक्योरिटी एडवाइजर लाक्पिरिबा कुलदीप सिंहना सुमाई तौबिरुसिगी कांगसुप एरिया लेव 22 एआर से अथुबा मतम मसि फुक्तपिगो नत्रगदि अखोई लरिबा नकनबा खुंगंग मयामसिना अखोई मखल मखा कयागी खुंजंग जंगसिन जरगनि हाइबा वफन तमदनि.
On the other hand, villagers of Kadangban stopped the entering of Assam Rifles, alleging that Assam Rifles helping the Kuki militants. Another villager of the area was also shot by suspected Kuki militants. The injured has been identified as Huirem Hemchandra, aged 26, son of Sarad from Laiden Sajik. He has been admitted to Reams Hospital.
एमआर लोग ने भी फायरिंग नहीं किया होगा. फायरिंग तो उस तरफ भी ज्यादा कर रहा था और उन लोगों ने भी ये
हम लोग कुछ बोला कोई आने से अगर आने से भी हम लोग हाथ पकड़ते हैं हम लोग उनसे कन्विंस मत कीजिए उनको भगाइए या समझाइए. हमारी तरफ से 3 बार जो हुआ है कभी फायरिंग नहीं किया है. खाली उन लोगों को हटाइए बस. कुकी मिलिटेंट यहाँ में आना नहीं चाहिए. कितनी बार बोला है सर मैंने आपको. एक बार कुकी मिलिटेंट को आप लोग संभालिए. यहाँ में कभी फायरिंग नहीं होगा. कुकी मिलिटेंट आप लोग संभाल नहीं पा रहा है तो हट जाइए आप लोग. हम लोग जो भी फोर्स कर पाएगा हम लोग करके यहाँ में रख देगा. हम लोग.
In the meantime, 2 persons have been injured shot by son of Uripog AC MLA K.H. Raghumani while a group of people stormed the residence of the MLA. The irate public torched 2 gypsies of the MLA at Uripog Kangchup Road. On the other hand, the irate people ransacked and dismantled the godown of the MLA and other properties. Chief Minister of Manipur Biren has said that both state and the central government will fight against the Kuki terrorists to bring about peace and normalcy in the state. He said this during a press meet held at CM Secretariat today. The press meet was attended by his Council of Ministers except 2 Kuki ministers. Chief Minister further said the fight is not between some communities, some external force is interfering on it. He appealed to the people of Manipur not to take part on such war. State and the central government will fight against the perpetrators.
Masa yung mamani may thaba nung may karakapag pagkagawa natana at ngarang nahan kasi nung ninis suddenly yamna with a proper planning may intention na magaloy na belly gi taine river sing sindagi simultaneously bagi belly zatari the mission prajasingi the nomi capsule lakpa yumai tharpa thole masima bagi amna strongest time the sarkar sina condemn tawi मिशन प्रजा की पुंसी थोकिबा थोक थोक्रकसु अखोई पुनमक लैताना लैना बायदने अखोई हिरम कयादा ग्रुप पीस विजन कया सेमदना रिलीजियस की इमिनेंट पर्सनैलिटी सिंगी मीडिया की ग्रुप सिंगी सेमदना पीस हंजलकना नबा कन्न होनजबनी मरक्सदैदा ऑनरेबल यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर of state Sri Tenderai ngarang dagi laga leiribani nahan dagi ma leire haibagi ma leiringai sida thon daba yade haibagi matagun or hayeng honorable union home minister Amit Shah ji lakani haibasigi daida moigi Iran moigi capacity sati utpagi mawong da tawbagi manba khare koina hui aduna koi state government की साइड की अंगम बगी थाकता दुगुम्बा मणिपुर की अपुनब टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रिटी की मायोक सिंगने रखबा अदुग मणिपुर की लेजरिबा मिसम प्रजा सिंगी लाइफ दा मरी प्रॉपर्टी दा सिंगने रखबा ओइने लौबग लोइने ना इखोइना कोई याम कन्ना थेंगनखिगनी स्टेट की फोर्स ngarang mafam kuntra ni pan vulnerable areas me koi saithog khinkhre madugi matungda atopa vulnerable areas sing identify tar kana koi khinbagi thabak chathari manipur ki police moi kanam tagi makhada instruction gi makhada leiroi makoi direct koi home Government of Manipur, the advisor to CM, direct deal to Rokana Moy, sending Mapam Matam go in a Sena with the Karima Makalam, the reception, Tamre, Tamaroy, Loinana, Matam Matamgi, the car labor operation, the Indian Army, BSF, CRPF, High Labor Mayam, Siauna, even some area further than Samra Kurian operation Tori, which is how the Ekoi Masi media that hope the Fonging Governor Ngarang Nahan Gitonariba Yamna Satiba Tauriba Kuto Mission Prajagi Kundabu M16 Senator AK-47 Senator Nanomai Capsule Laga Mai Tharga Mission Hatkini having a mentality to give walk the walk to Kudu. Madhugi retaliate of the way other Manina. I call paramilitary forces of the army is high tagi. Even I call twins motor of operation or Kanda. Heavy weapons of operation or Kanda Koi. Adugumba miscreant terrorism. Mission Prajada could have a mission Prajagilan to Mahanba terrorists in Lugi Matakoi, Akan by action such a Bahore, which is probably Manum the Naran Litan Kopi, the Moigi, me, combator Sepa, Mari, Manga, Yanga Kopida, Taruk subject to correction, Shera Ulang Kaida, Sugunuda, Aduga Torbung area, Punnoxi, Pavumanda, Adugumba, Lamhenba, Mission Prajada, Nomi, AK-47, M16 Senerga, Sniper Senerga, Mission the attack of Wungamba Kangu with a paper. Counter defensive. Moine yum thaba la pa moine no moi kapo ko da pen halaga kap na moi kuji phaw da around ni fu bi mayada lai ki de have ge ko da madu bi paw lai cookie militants hai ke terrorists Mission Prajada Hatpusing, Mission Prajada Nomi Kapusing, Mission Prajagi Lantum Yum Kai Mangan Busing. Other Bolina Koi Mayamasu Jat Regimena Padana Tori Maraxlan Naitaba Mission Sing Narang Paying it up, Mr. Mama, Nomina Pandana, Aitaba, Aduga Napat Kida, Miamani Sopa, Aduga Seroga, Uzimado Pay, evacuate Tore, Sugunugi Hospital, the Ayani, Moyani Mama, Smaina, Fulai Paidaba Mission Prasada. Could have said, Masi Awang what happy level like way. Masi a quick cabinet Pame, the strongest time like way, Masi condemned away.
District magistrates of Imphal East and Imphal West have shortened the relaxation after seeing the situation of prison law and order situation. The district magistrates have shortened the curfew relaxation of both the districts at 11:30, though it was relaxed 4 p.m. And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki. Masina awang nungpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kaya gi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pak na pangthokli. Wana hona jaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari. Unit asida thamjariba matam gi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, luinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's Primetime English News Bulletin. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled a commemorative plaque to mark the inauguration of the new Parliament building and dedicated it to the nation on Sunday. PM Modi also placed the Sengol inside the Parliament after performing a puja. A multi-religion prayer meet was also held at the Parliament after unveiling of the plaque. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Saturday alleged that the BJP was trying to replicate a Manipur-like situation in the state by causing caste-based riots. They have threatened me in several ways, Banerjee said. They want to create a situation where Adivasis will fight Kurmis so that the army can be called in and the military will have shoot-at-side orders, she added. As many as 15 cities have been shortlisted for hosting the ODI World Cup in India. ESPN Info reported. The cities include Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, Delhi, Dharamshala, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Rajkot and Mumbai and Trivandrum. Nagpur and Pune have reportedly been also included in the shortlist. Raju Kumar Singh, BJP MLA from Sahibganj in Bihar's Muzaffarpur has been booked along with his 5 aides for abductions on a complaint by a local RJD leader. Police said the complaint claimed that the MLA had abducted him at gunpoint intending to kill him. This is the second criminal case against the legislature in less than 2 months. A Supreme Court advocate has filed a complaint against Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, accusing them of making insightful statements against President Draupadi Murmu over her cause. This comes after several opposition leaders criticized the centre for not inviting President Murmu to the inaugurations of Parliament's new building. For ELITETV News channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. 5 people including a commando shot dead by suspected Kuki militants. Government will teach a lesson to Kuki terrorists in Manipur, says Chief Minister. And curfew shortened for Imphal East and West at 11:30 a.m. And that's a wrap for today. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great evening.